Welcome to GlasWerks DMV. My name is Adrian, I'm the owner and lead artist here. Today we'll be going over some details on this 2024 McLaren 750S Spider in Ludus Blue in MSO color with Papaya Spark accents kind of everywhere all over the car. This car has $150,000+ in options of it, or easier way to think about it, an entire GT4 of options. The main color on the car is MSO Ludus Blue, a beautiful medium blue with a lot of metallic flake and pearl in it. In 1968, McLaren debuted Papaya. First on their works car, it quickly became associated with the McLaren name. The modern version of Papaya adds a beautiful pearlescent shimmer to an already stunning color. Starting with wheels, we have the Strike 10-spoke super lightweight forged wheels in gloss black. The center caps also have Papaya Spark on the McLaren logo. The brake calipers are also Papaya Spark. The 750S benefits from adopting the McLaren 765LT Longtail's rear wing. The underside of this specific wing is also finished in Papaya Spark with a Ludus Blue Speedy Kiwi. The underside of the hood features two beautiful hand-painted logos. First, we have the Bruce McLaren official motor racing team logo from back in the day. And to the right of that, we have the McLaren Speedy Kiwi in Papaya Spark for the 60th anniversary. As we open the door of this McLaren 750S, we're greeted with a carbon side sill with a Papaya Spark Speedy Kiwi. Looking throughout the interior, black Alcantara, black leather, McLaren orange stitching, everything that could be carbon fiber is carbon fiber, most of which has additional Papaya Spark accents. Although this vehicle has over $150,000 of options on it from MSO, there is one thing they wouldn't do. They would not paint the badges on this, no matter how much we asked. So we ended up having to paint them ourselves. Lettering is gloss black to work with the gloss black wheels and a bunch of other stuff. And the S is Papaya Spark. Kind of hard to match, but we got it. One of the most important parts of any successful paint protection film installation is the prep and decontamination that happens before we lay any film on the car. This process also helps us remove any factory installed paint protection film that may be there for transport purposes. Similar to most of our installations here at GlasWerks DMV, we chose STEK DYNOsheild. STEK DYNOsheild provides you with an industry-leading top-coated paint protection film designed to stop rock chips and scratches while being virtually invisible over factory gloss paints. DynoShield's proprietary nano-ceramic infused top coat is bonded to the film as a liquid, providing extreme hydrophobic properties and phenomenal optical clarity. Combined with UV-resistant anti-yellowing adhesives, gives DynoShield a 10-year warranty, makes it easy to care for, and adds durable protection to your paint, because driving your vehicle with peace of mind is just more enjoyable. And that's a wrap on this 2024 McLaren 750S Spider in Ludus Blue. The car's protected, the client's happy, he can drive it, it's not going to get damaged, win-win for everybody.